Hey, what's up guys, this is Buddy from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. In today's video, I will show you guys how to get these interactive widgets in your iPhone running iOS 15.4. These are third-party mini widgets with some interaction. So if I tap on weather over here, you can see weather forecast of all day and same in calendar also. So I will show you guys how to get these widgets in your iPhone. But before that, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon, so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Now to get these interactive mini widgets in your iPhone, we will need a famous app called 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐵. It's a free app. Just download it from App Store. Link will be mentioned in description. Now let's go to the app. Here tap on Explore section and then go to Sort and Filter. And in widget size, just select medium only. Now tap on tick at top. Now here just scroll down, you will find a widget named 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐼𝐶. Unfortunately, you cannot search widget name over here. So here it is. Just tap on it. Now tap on more by this uploader. Here you will get these different types of mini interactive widgets of this uploader. I have this iconic version 2. So just select any widget you want. Then here tap on import. Now if your widget has a background wallpaper, just tap on it. Then tap on edit and over here you will have this wallpaper. Just disable it and you are good. Now go back and tap on manage tab, and in free version you will only get one widget. So if you have any other widget, just remove it from slot and add your current widget. Now just close this app and tap on jiggle mode plus, then tap on plus. Then here search for 𝐒𝐤𝐤 app. Now slide to the medium widget and add your widget. Just like that, you will have a mini interactive widget in your iPhone. And if you want smooth transition like this, just go to settings app, then tap on accessibility, then tap on motion and enable reduce motion. It works perfectly fine when you enable this. There is no lag and you are good to go. So that's how you can get mini interactive widgets in your iPhone, and that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. And if you guys face any issue, let me know in the comment. I will be happy to help. I hope this video was helpful. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.